iShares U.S. Treasury Bond ETF, GOVT, is an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that tracks the performance of U.S. government bonds. It is managed by BlackRock, one of the largest asset management firms in the world. GOVT holds a portfolio of U.S. Treasury bonds, which are debt securities issued by the U.S. government to finance its operations. These bonds have a fixed interest rate and a fixed maturity date, at which point the principal amount of the bond is repaid to the investor. Treasury bonds are considered to be some of the safest investments available, as they are backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government. GOVT offers investors a convenient and cost-effective way to gain exposure to the U.S. government bond market. By investing in GOVT, investors can diversify their portfolio and potentially benefit from the stability and security offered by Treasury bonds. One of the main advantages of GOVT is its low expense ratio. The fund has an annual expense ratio of just 0.15%, which is significantly lower than the average expense ratio for actively managed bond funds. This means that investors can keep more of their returns, as they don't have to pay high fees to the fund manager. GOVT is also highly liquid, meaning that it is easy to buy and sell shares in the fund. This is important for investors who may need to access their money quickly or make changes to their portfolio. In terms of risk, GOVT is considered to be a low-risk investment. Treasury bonds are generally considered to be among the safest investments available, as they are backed by the U.S. government. However, it's important to note that bond prices can fluctuate in response to changes in interest rates, and the value of GOVT's holdings may decline if interest rates rise. GOVT is suitable for a wide range of investors, including those looking for a low-risk investment option, those seeking to diversify their portfolio, or those looking for a stable source of income. It may be particularly appealing to investors who are nearing retirement or who have a lower tolerance for risk. Overall, iShares U.S. Treasury Bond ETF, GOVT, is a reliable and cost-effective way for investors to gain exposure to the U.S. government bond market. It offers the security and stability of Treasury bonds, as well as the convenience and low costs of an ETF.